Later.
Later, yeah? Yeah, Chelsea?
She gone.
That's fine.
Everyone, good morning and welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel.
Yes, good morning, guys.
Yes, so we are out.
Yes, super chat morning.
You know anybody who want any of them left?
What's that?
Overseas, we buy them, huh?
Oh, so that means you still have?
Two we buy, we have one at our house and one for the vehicle.
Therefore you want for the people in the house?
No, we use them. When we're there home, we park with vehicle in the garage, you know, right?
Yes, so you have the one on the garage.
And we do live stream and then something, they have events and anything there, so I say it right.
You're clearing the whole country for one of them.
You have to order it, Master, for the Starlink website.
Right,
yes, Mr. Green.
Okay guys, so we are up and running, thank God. You know, could have been worse, but we are thanking him for his grace and mercies towards us. And so this morning we are heading out and we are heading into Albertown.
Yes, Albertown.
Yeah, so we are starting from Bottom New Hope on the main and we are heading to Albertown. Some persons have been reaching out to us and saying that, you know, we didn't see the entirety of Warsaw, and I think that's because we just did a section, you know. Sometimes it's hard to do all at once, so we are just going to do from here, Top New Hope, that is to through to Warsaw, through to, you know, St. Vincent. What's the name of the other places? Marcel, Wilson Valley.
Yes, Spring Garden
and stuff into Albertown. Alright. Oh, I have mine.
So it go and suffer. Seatbelt informer. What's if we jump out? What's if we jump out, go chap 2, 3?
You jump out.
Yeah. Alright, seatbelt just stop it nice now.
Yeah.
So you see it's a single lane traffic, you say, you know?
Yeah.
That's one man come down here and look like you know to stop, you know.
Okay. I guess he's telling us to.
Good morning, sir.
Good, everything good?
Yes,
Good
sir.
morning, hello. How you doing?
Alright, sir.
Alright.
Yes, sir. That's somebody we know.
Yeah.
Although we never cuss him. That's true, we don't cuss people.
No, we don't. Not when we're driving and them bad drivers. No. We don't cuss them.
No, sir, we don't have no time for cuss. We laugh and say, yeah.
Alright, so we just passed Middle New Hope. Take it easy every time we reach here, so we're dropping a big pot.
So I hold it right up, so I'm dropping on my life. See it good right now.
See it right over there, so
Vern!
tell her.
Vern! Me have to go come back. When me have to come back from Albertown.
Wait,
Me last see.
pot it.
Me last part of it. Yeah man, when me come back. Go and do your thing. Me still a come. Yeah.
Alright, so
Ay, na select.
oh, okay.
May nakaguba eh.
Tired na siya.
Let's pass it. Alright, that was a long stop.
Hey, Jonah.
Yeah. Pastor, we soon come to you, yeah?
Miller.
We soon come to you. We are going Alberton. Lord Jesus. Where you come from?
I don't know.
Come before we let you. Make sure you have your fear, you know. Because we call it fear.
Morning.
Yes, it's just a morning, nothing wrong with that. But after that. Yes. So we are heading to Alberton. I told you I go Miss Miller? Now we're not going to town. Hope you don't care you going to town. The road, so you have to come back this way to go Christian Line. That road runs a block. Yeah. So you better if you go to Christian I go pay a bill.
No, I make Jimmy always pay a bill.
So you know could have beg we pay for you?
And then we go.
You're going to Christian.
Oh yeah, we could do that.
Yes.
Save it the journey because you have to go come back there.
So you have to go give you your fear because we are turning your back.
You go walk back from here.
Yeah, me walk, yes.
Oh. You might just say Christian a taxi coming.
Sorry if you left your road.
Christian will come?
No, Christian
yeah.
taxi. Hold on. Where is it, Junior? No, there, man.
Jaja.
Yeah, just that we have to say.
Yeah.
Yes.
I would have give thanks to the life there.
Yeah, man, life there, so we can rebuild, you know?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man, that's how it is.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright.
Yeah. That time, Bill?
So it's a good
Oh, yeah,
way
so you
there.
have to pay bill and you don't have no electricity nor nothing.
No, so we'll give them upon next gym. But no matter, because it will come back funny.
Okay. So it's the name we know that.
Andrea Miller. Next gym.
Oh, alright.
No, Jen.
Jen.
So you do, Miller, how was the hurricane and everything?
Yeah, you can.
How it affect you?
But when
Everything good.
Alright,
Running.
God be praised.
You hold it.
We can see that.
Yes. Sometimes we turn over because me see them more than less ground, so
The black.
Yeah, it's black.
so we never have no really good there, so so me go try get it.
If we did come back now, but you still would have keep up your time. You could have gone to Christian all the way out.
So we're gonna go to Christiana too, but we have to come back. But we don't go come back as quickly as you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me glad for so now. Me yesterday, I wish they hear some now pass. I me did prepare myself so me.
Oh no, we came back in the night. Two times, 2 days, and we passed and said we soon come back. We came back in the night.
Okay. All right, we'll link up.
Yes,
yes.
all right.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
So this is a single lane also. So water spray out. What kind of water that?
I'm sure. That's
Oh, water she carry.
Yeah.
I mean, most of me see water spray out.
Yeah, she put up a jug or take out
And
a
when she
jug.
take it out.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Hi.
Hello.
So we did this route already, so you know, what is this double portion? We did up to Carver already. So beyond that, beyond Carver's shop or supermarket, rather, my apologies, is
But think of me alone I drive dirty car. Yeah? Me hold on, me I come.
Woo.
Okay. Alright, that was a long stop. So yeah, I see a lot of people on the road there now coming from Alberton in because nobody can drive around. Wait a bit to go Christiana. So they come this way. Sometimes come like you can't even escape it.
Yeah, and I'm so much.
Yeah, skip one and you drop in on the other. It's a big sun. Jesus, every day I stay in a shop to look like it's hard to make one decision for what you do. Well, now get through though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, me I try to airport there in the area.
Yeah man, you will do it man.
Alright.
Alright.
Monkey man. Yes Lando. Alright. Alright. Winnie, where you come from?
Right.
How you say? Every time we drive, I say,
You have to drive in ahead.
remember me driving there yesterday, you know?
Yeah,
One at a
because
time.
if you drive outside, I don't know, I think,
Next time I give you vehicle to drive through, you know?
yeah, because I'm not driving, I can't see better, you know.
But I drive, I'm supposed to see better.
But
That's why I
when,
drive out.
see when you drive
Hey.
through the water, it's okay.
Alright.
But when we drive over that side, we end up and lick up a whole heap of something.
Think me see Mr. Rabba a while ago, you know?
Yeah, I'll stop going.
Yeah, we got to check her.
Yeah.
God, nobody.
Terrible, man. Just terrible. Just terrible. But life goes on.
Still we rise.
Yeah.
Still we rising. Yes, we're rising. Bigger.
Oh.
Yo, dads!
Yes, that.
Ah! Yeah.
The flight was being done also.
Yeah, man. Yeah, the roof up when I'm gone if you tie it ball. So me I tell you some man. And that's how shake up, you know?
Yeah, he's on the roof. Hello, hello.
Yeah. We need to stop yourself.
Oh boy.
Alright. That's my personal number this here. Alright, yes. Yeah, man. Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Broken. Alright. Eka. How dealing? Yeah.
Because I just spot them I go left. I have to just figure out how you know and just do something different here.
Yeah.
So next week I go do my assessment.
Yeah,
Okay.
man.
I know what to do but
Yeah, man.
after that so take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah,
too.
man. You too.
And heal up your family for you, see?
Yeah, man, alright.
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 Good, good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we did safe down there still.
Yeah, we
man.
lose stuff, you know, but we always good.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright,
man.
later.
Good.
Everybody washing and hanging out and something.
We are pass.
What she say?
Make we stop when we come back. We run go Alberton. If you not stop, you stop we. Yes. Stuff here
Nice
got work
something.
today. Yeah.
Really? How things? How things? Alright, awesome.
Alright.
Alright,
Yeah.
good. You know who that is?
Yeah.
In the car.
You look like Come on, come. So most of the off-road them not clear enough. It's a shop that done.
Yeah.
The man that showed the other day, I said, there's some workshop there.
Or did it's gone. You hear the knockings all over.
I tell you, everywhere you go knocking. Nobody grab a jelly in a hurricane.
All them jelly there whenever one come down here. But the hurricane jelly is not good, I heard.
You see all the breadfruit?
Heard that?
Breadfruit. Love line. Yeah, give me some electricity, man, inside.
I mean, a lady can fridge come there and buy gas so if it plug in the generator making hard up some chicken.
Oh,
So she after the generator we can buy gas every.
so you can't give me a generator if you go down my yard?
You know right? Juju?
No, my current. Right now, I need 2 batteries.
Oh.
You better say my panel them mash up, man.
Good, I get them from, but I little no battery them.
Where they there?
See you also. Same as with them, but you still be charging. You see them?
How much volt?
You know park good man?
I'm not parking business. They light? Are they heavy?
Heavy man.
I don't lithium then. A gel battery
Gel,
them
gel
then.
you mean, gel.
I know gel.
Me say they ain't get problem, don't you?
I love gel battery.
If you don't give and you have to service them.
Lithium battery me want.
I'm jail.
You can buy them if you want still.
How much you have? Almost 18 cents there. If there's any ground, you have 3 though.
Oh. 12 volt them.
Call it 13. 12.8.
I got Alberton.
Yeah.
You can't wash my car for me. When you want to wash it?
You know, come on.
You don't say car dirty, but you can't drive up a dog bar road in the car ugly, so. So give me, you say you give me the machine to wash it down on my yard.
You know, say no light.
Current running?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I
Plug in one now.
don't want to plug in.
This one there.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Later, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Which man is that? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, your body is in the charge control. More hour to back.
Oh, there's a lot of heat coming in here.
Too close to the fire. Alright, sir. No, sir. Yeah. Come down fast. Me in a fire. Aye.
Yo, driver.
Yes, sir, Jim.
What I deal with,
But
man?
there,
You owe
man.
me so money.
That's true.
Remember say you owe me so money.
If me even go, you're not going to get you now.
Remember me.
If come up here, so come tell me where you for. You can't pass. Watch out, I can't get to talk to nobody because yeah.
You have to go around, you have to clear them. Just a moment.
Yeah.
The smoke. Okay, so we have been stopping quite a lot, but we are now heading up to the Warsaw police station.
No, pass once a police station.
Yes, we're heading up to pass.
You make it so like yeah, gonna make one complaint.
Cause something happened, right?
Yeah. Because we are stop a lot now, we are our police station.
So it's sounding.
Construction plaza, so. Police have a son them gears.
It's not the church.
The church look like it intact.
Yeah, it's just the front part, look, from what we can see. Speed tree jump right at the gate to turn off the outside, the entrance.
Yeah, gate, but it look like a gate papa.
This house.
Alright, we take it like over there, right? Yes. I drink up every neighbor then here now. Mr. Wood fine. Yeah. Alright. We good, Mr. Wood fine.
Stop here a minute, let me get something. Please.
Yes, Mr. Wood fine. Can I get refreshment?
No.
No, not one.
How your family them, sir?
My family good, you know, Mr. Wood fine?
Yeah, you're alright.
Yes, my good man.
Yeah, that's your judgment. I know everybody.
Everybody. Nobody can laugh after nobody.
No, man.
Everybody judge me.
So we just unite together.
Yes, sir, that's what you do.
We're glad we have life.
Yes.
That's how great it. Because they don't worship. No, but someone will could have died.
Yes.
They come to any contact with you.
Yeah.
Two one man did a rock through there. 1 year, them there years every man is sick man.
Sick and dead?
Yeah, and they hold on him and hold on him. And they answer to drop down for him.
Some got long for him?
Yeah, but them they, I tell you, them they hate people. When you say them they hate people, that's you go down bus I want here.
I move them, yeah.
I move them. Go that bank I do we have up here.
Yes.
You know, you see them ready.
But are the people them around him should have, you know, that them would know say, you know, him there.
Board of the plan we have, we see all. Think about the 8 people them, but see, let's try it then, sir. We all for them back. You go for them in one car, put them on one place.
Yeah.
Put them on one church or them where they give them on shelter.
Just like how they go for them in an election, not you?
Yeah, sir, then what now that they find a duty we want?
Yes,
see
yes.
You think around one another? Me find a sit down and rush man, you know. Me find a man a while ago. And he say one for you don't part of a nerd lady.
Yeah.
But what the rock lady?
You have to stop.
You get me?
Yes.
Take them out and pay attention.
Yes, man.
Take them.
Protect them.
You can lose.
Right. Alright.
How you see lose? How you see lose?
Can't
How
lose.
you do things like them? You can't lose it.
No.
Me, you know, everywhere me go, people know me.
Yeah.
Turn a road, turn a try, turn a mountain. People talk about me.
Yeah, man.
What?
Actual. Real Mr. Wood fine.
You know, keep on do good things.
Yes.
And move the money.
Don't stop no good.
Don't stop the good.
You know your neighbor.
Make a time where we.
Yes.
Say hi to one another.
Yes, man.
No robbing.
Then when you leave, you say bye.
Alright, sir.
Yeah.
No robbing that.
Yeah, man. You know about that song. That me to say to you.
Put this one here. So it can roll out.
Smooth that blonde. Well, that was a water break, guys. Yeah. See that house over there, so what color that? Pink.
Pink color.
Just say pink, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Make it sound good, not sure.
Okay, you don't know which color. It makes it something more look like mauve or between mauve and pink.
Well, a pink.
Alright.
Alright, call it pink mauve. The roof just rip up. This one here. Baby shark, right? Baby shark.
Baby shark. I don't know who that is. You know him?
good island.
True. Buffalo water. It's terrible, terrible. There's no yam, everything gone.
Maybe yam there because remember say if we never have hurricane, that's a yam pan road down. So them the yam they would arrive already.
Oh, so if they arrive, they would have arrived.
Yeah, they in the dirt. Ripe yam.
Okay. Some people would have probably reap already in September.
Yeah. And some, you see, let me tell you. See enough of the farmer them. Voila! Enough of the farmer them. Them junk the yammed. Like they cut it off small and mold up it back.
Okay.
If you stay there and swell, make back head. Make back head. So them the yammed though that dead now. Because they can't swell back. But the man them way we cut it with the big yammed. When it ripe, them yammed they can plant back. But once they cut it small, all the yam loose. Them the yam if anybody dig no loose yam, everything dead. Because what I don't know is they cut off. I just want they say they bump off it. So I just want little right just part the vine there. And right there so they cut off, you know.
Okay.
And then it would have swell back. Beer back too. Yeah, what go on? May I pass through? So this is well, we leave new roads and we are going to Wilson Valley now. So this Wilson Valley. Alright, we're not reach Wilson Valley yet, but I could say a new road.
That looks like it's supposed to be one sign.
No, a monument.
Oh.
Alright. So yeah, persons are go wires up at the
Tower.
The cell tower to make phone calls.
Is that digital tower?
I guess I one of them, as people say the phone them are work up there.
Yeah.
So yeah, people are head up there to make phone call, reach out to them people overseas to make them know so them alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. And even persons in Kingston, you know, because nothing there lost, no power or anything up there. Alright.
Yeah. We were able to, people from Kingston can call. Maybe not everybody. I can't speak for everybody, but we have received calls from Kingston.
But the people them down here we can receive the call.
Yes.
Yeah. See how the banana tree them now. Banana easy to grow back still, you know. Because it's like that now, if you just cut it off, it starts spring the same time.
Yeah.
Within seconds, you see one little thing and shoot up.
Maybe it's good advice if you just cut them off and make
Cut
them
them off
start
and make them
shoot
spring
up.
back, yeah.
We're going to need them bananas.
Yes. We have to go eat banana enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi, good morning. Uh-oh.
All them pimento tree are good old firewood them, you know.
Yes, I know, because it's not strong. But no, I don't even know what type of material is that. What type of material make myself a house myself?
I think I did not give me.
Nog.
Block. That ply and
Ply and the
I don't
nog.
know if I block.
I don't know what it is.
Ply and wall. Ply and concrete.
Yes. Yeah.
Alright.
Yes, absolutely. Or yes, man, it's a lot. Yes. I know. For mostly everybody, because everybody is in the process of, trying to rebuild. Well, our house is intact. We only had water coming through the windows and doors. We mostly have damages on the outside with our water tanks and some solar panels and the lights and so on. Chicken coop is gone completely, but otherwise, we are okay and giving thanks. As well, this house lean.
Yeah.
See, the shop is lean completely.
Oh,
It's a
over
house.
the front.
It's a house. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
The ply shop stand
Yeah.
up.
Good.
I guess I'll pass him and say that.
What's that? Oh, no. He said he has it. He has it. He took it with him. I don't know if he took it or if he went back for it. But him have it. Yeah, he's... Yes. Can I call you back in a few minutes? Alright, good. Yes.
So I think this is Rock Spring.
Okay.
Rock Spring.
We finished Wilson Valley a while ago.
Yeah, when I come by the flat this one. Yeah?
I don't know what. That's right, Alice.
It's a Richards.
Oh, General
Yeah.
Home. Oh, okay.
I don't see the funeral home, but for me see Richards and me see they right up on a big truck there, me know say.
On the house right up there in the bushes.
Yeah, you know say up on a hill there, Mr. Cadlin supposed to live.
Oh. So when they walk up here, so now.
Alright, next hill. No, not this hill. I want around the next one around this one. Where they walk? Right now they can't walk anyway because the whole place clear.
That's true.
Yeah. First time when I come here, so you know, there's no house out this way.
Everything clear. Now see them big number tree, look like root it out.
Root it out.
I am
Like she and somebody that fight.
Terrible, man, just terrible.
I can't believe say well, I believe because the hurricane just passed, but me just say how the time look now.
That we had a hurricane.
Yeah, we're not even no rain or nothing.
Yeah, time
It's
is dry.
just dry. It's dry.
Oh,
Actually, there's somebody don't want to drive now, but maybe the road block. I don't know.
yeah. Because we're not certain now, it don't make sense trying to figure out it. But so far, you know, though we don't know how far they come from. Maybe you could ask. Okay.
Yeah, go through there.
Yeah. Car coming there.
Yeah. Well, we can pass here, so. Chicken them are going with themselves over there, so. I go on.
Hey, how you doing?
I told me no say I come to you, so why me drive here now?
Yeah? The bubble just behind it still.
Yeah. The Bobo wait. Bobo have to wait.
So everything good?
Yes, man.
Well, it's 5 days before farmer come back.
Oh, Jesus, master. Yeah, have you made that one?
Yeah, right.
You have to get 1 5 bank for you.
No.
Do it yourself.
So like 5 back with the Jazzy, you should know if 5 back can't I cannot get none.
She said me not get none. So me not fi have none. Them the hardest thing to come by now. So one bus round the corner here. Lord. And the road narrow. Yeah, alright, my general. I always have a problem when I reach us, so I can't see the road. You know? My front tire vehicle they up in the sky.
You're supposed to come.
I could have just tap down this and make me fix up myself and then he come up. Well, I know man, I move so. But I call him up because I never know say so. I never know say I could have passed or so. Alright. Building it really turn up yourself doing it.
Good foundation.
Right there roadside. And then I move.
What are your name, you know?
This I am going look good though. go through and I take them up. Then we get some more tight. See
Yeah.
there? Just stick them lean over. Look good. The tree them man. The tree broke neck, you know.
Turn them out.
Just the tree them. Maybe if we drive on the main,
Yeah.
that's more. I think maybe see one sign put up down at the bridge one at a time said something about flanker.
Where?
Down at the bridge down there, so. I don't know if a flanker road or flanker.
Oh.
Can't stop now, man. I get late, you know.
Yeah. Well, some of them older houses around here, their roof still on. Maybe the breeze,
Yes, my boss.
maybe the breeze pass overhead.
Yeah.
That's what. See?
Some of them they under the hill.
Worked out for them.
See there? Flanker road.
Okay. Yeah, good memory, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come across the view or whatever.
Now go turn and show the sign.
Black Road.
Alright. See the sign there? Flanker road. See it? Alright. The camera pick it up now, you know?
I know.
Yeah. This one it is small, so you're not going to see much, but
Yeah, when you're looking at it.
yeah. They tell us that since the hurricane, you know, say some building there, some place there, you know.
Because there's always like pure trees and
Yes.
yeah, a
Just
lot
green.
of trees. Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
This is Rock Spring Health Center.
Alright. So everything we go Christian and now have to come through here, so. Road cut off. Hello.
So going to Christiana now is going to take like maybe over an hour or a little because the road bad.
I'm more than an hour.
Yeah.
So you know, say about $1,500 for Everyting to go Christiana now. Yeah. There's more gas. Maybe taxi man can make more than 2 round trip. Because the time when him take go to Christian, I go load and come back down and wait till load again.
Hard.
At night.
Yeah. Look what you Whoa! Man, that's just awful.
Oh. help them put a little joy in their heart. But they know say somebody still remember them.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Alright.
We don't know them, but we heal them same way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the spirit.
So this is what? Spring Garden.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We're close to the primary school.
Yeah. Spring Garden in Trelawney, that's close to Albertown.
Is that a
The whole of that they building gone down, you know, see there?
look
I want
like
look
it
like
used to be a goat pen
or a greenhouse or well that not green.
greenhouse so green.
Yeah, greenhouse not green.
No, I don't think so.
Greenhouse means you have green stuff planted in there.
Suppose so.
Oh Lord, everything topple over.
It just crashed out.
Look like the breeze blow from four corner. Look up on the hill up or something. First time when you're there, so you can't see not even one building up on the hill.
No, I see everything.
Look at destruction. All over that the hill they just clean out.
Yeah.
Hurricane look come in miserable. So another thing guys, oh this is Spring Garden. Another thing guys, if you are using a generator to get electricity to power up your house, charge your device and them stuff there, please don't keep it on the inside of the house.
Yeah. Dangerous.
Yes, it is dangerous. Because we hear say somebody died from carbon monoxide poisoning in Falmouth and another man is in the hospital. It's two of them in the building. Someone went and found them unresponsive. One died and two friends. So they might use a generator for charge device with people and stuff. And you know. Morning sir. That happen. So now keep no generator in our house.
Put it on the outside.
Put it out the door if you not trust the ear, you strap it down with chain and padlock.
On the outside.
Alright sir. No generator in our house.
Yeah. Ooh. Man. So little house over there, so where is that house?
I build up on. I want a farm over there now.
So
So you build up at them hut.
Yeah.
And the bamboo them. And then what could I ring up bamboo so? Bamboo.
Strong, you know.
That's it man. Now Melissa ring up the bamboo dangerous, you know. Bamboo cut up people, you know. And Melissa ring up the bamboo, them are gone and I get no cut. We don't understand this. No cut you not get. can be hard. We have to just help each other.
Yeah. That's all we have to do.
All the man when don't have no house himself lose something.
And it's like, you know, for persons who, you know, they have a home, they own their own home, and it's destroyed. They're building, they're rebuilding, and then for those who are renting and the roof gone, then the landlord probably lose the rooftop to somewhere else.
So them not get no visit.
So it's hard.
See everything mash up here, so.
And then there's no house to rent.
No.
Because everything destroyed, so most people, boy, I don't know, it's rough.
Like them might do some cleaning up around here, so do you see? So everything pushed to the side.
Yeah.
This one look like I'm a clean up in yard gate, man. I'm a do it, you know?
To clean up the road and stuff.
Yeah, I'm a cleaning yard gate. Man say, who me no want my yard gate for look, so.
Hey.
So guys, we thank you all for journeying with us. We're heading to Albertown. So this is St. Vincent. We're going into Albertown. Hello. Going into Albertown. But we're gonna make a short stop here, so.
Yeah. Brief stop.
Yeah. You can say short, that's true. Because it's not long.
Brief.
Even though you say brief. Brief or it could have been underpants. Tangel. What happened?
There's a car coming up here.
Can't
One
go this
minute
one.
stop.
Come here, sir. Put come over there, What you say?
I have no idea.
Like, you want to say if I say you're tough or something like that? Well, me not that tough.
Alright, so
All this church I blow down completely.
completely.
And then I come look on him and see all the cheer them and see.
And it's fine with bowl and everything.
The road I get busy, you know, because everybody are if you go Christian and everything.
Yeah, driving here. It looks like it's going to rain. About 5 minutes. So as soon as I'm there, I'll call you back. Yes. Okay. All right.
Me this see your master, me wait down there, so.
morning, good morning.
You know me? You know if you take ride for a stranger, I can't be taking with you see what vehicle pass you yesterday time? Everybody house get bumps.
When it's time to shine, I have nothing to take to me. I never key the door. I didn't pull the door, see? Cheery.
Oh no.
I'm going to the landlord, she give me $5, I can $5 and go back door.
No.
I take the rent money and pay one man $7,000.
Yeah.
They fix my door. I fight for them.
Yes.
So I must go and help myself.
Okay,
So I
okay.
use the rent.
Yeah, I did have to use.
Yeah. Let the man fix it, and man, they fall it back.
Yes.
Go up it, fix up the back. That.
Yes, man.
Alberton, mash up. This is Alberton.
Man, look at this, the fence damaged badly.
Alberton, mash up. Watch your foot there, brown man.
What one?
Me there, I'm general.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh no.
You know, so this is all that stuff.
Yeah.
Up the same officer, not sure.
Yeah. Next
Next
gen.
The lock.
Alright,
Now this a door, sir.
Or the stairs here.
Yeah, man, but I have one upstairs now.
Oh, so it closed. Oh man. Okay, okay. Where? Unless I change location. Oh, let me have a look and see. Alright.
Oh, you're welcome.
All the doors are closed, and the only one that looks like the other condom grill, the one that looks like you can just go in the generator is right in front of it.
They're locked, man.
Yeah, them lock.
But this is Alberton, guys. Alberton in Trelawney. Alberton in Trelawney.
So if you were gonna go to Falmouth, you would go, you'd
Straight ahead,
continue
yes.
and go through Ulster Spring, Jacksontown, those places. Oh, man. What is that? Somebody's house? All the business places are closed. Every single one of them. Even the bank, the credit union is damaged. But everywhere closed up.
I'm gonna take a walk about this through this.
Yeah, okay, go.
Alberton, get a big jerk.
Yeah, man. Everywhere closed. Let me see if the supermarket is open. Devastating. The supermarkets
address of the guy.
Man, there's so much up bad.
That's the post office.
Post office mash up as well. That's a kind of mash up. Oh no. There was a shop here. I don't know what type of shop.
I think somebody said come here business that go on there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just up here, so just turn.
Yeah. What's uptown? Maybe should I go there?
Open the lane there. There's someone.
Cover yourself. Wow. Alright, so
This is where we turn.
turn
So we
back.
are go back in Albertown now. So guess you can see the post office roof. When we go around the corner.
Whoa.
Shop.
Yeah, top of
They locked up on the door, same way.
collapse. One man.
So that's the post office up there, so. All like post office smash up.
Albertown took a hit. Because from what we are observing, we have a lot of destruction. Many of the businesses, or if not all of them, is closed except for the supermarket that's right here. It's open. But everywhere, juicy parties, the credit union. Everywhere is closed.
Yeah. Picture this.
That road lead down to Freeman's Hall.
Yeah.
Sad, really sad.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, thanks.
Oh, that's-
The water. How are you?
Check what going on for long.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Can I go check one?
Guys.
Alright guys, so this is Albertown. This is Albertown, Trelawney. So we just do a drive through. So you can see what really happened out here.
Yeah. The farm store open.